Once you successfully install an AlarmNet communicator on one of Resideo's advanced security panels, you need to understand how to configure this device to maximize the system's capabilities. Integrating it with the Total Connect service will allow you to monitor and control your security settings remotely, providing peace of mind and convenience. This video will walk you through the process on the Vista H3. However, the steps are similar for other Vista and Pro Series panels. Let's discuss the information needed to set up a new account. You will need the account information from your central station or company. This will be a 2-digit city ID, a 2-digit central station ID, and 4-digit account number. Additionally, you will need the MAC and CRC from the communicator or the security panel. This information is on a sticker on the device or its box. For Total Connect, you will need the customer's email address, the username they want, and their 4-digit master user code. The master code will be used to sync the security system with Total Connect. Now, let's look at how to set up the account and add Total Connect. All programming will be done from the programming page. You can set up a security Fire account for security systems like Pro Series and the Vista H3 or communicators like the LTEM-P. You can also set up a non-security account for cameras only, like the VX series cameras. When setting up the security Fire account to get started, enter the MAC ID and CRC of the security panel or communicator. After entering that information, click the Continue button to move to the customer setup screen. The first part of the setup is the customer's information screen, which is set into 2 parts, customer info and location. The pertinent customer information includes their name, email, and contact number. Under location, you list the physical address where the device is being installed and the location's name. This location will show later in Total Connect. The second step is noting the type of control panel the communicator is attached to. The MAC and CRC will already be present since they were added when setting up the account. Enter the city, CS, and 4-digit account number and click Continue. This will verify that the account information is available to register the product. After verification, you can select the panel configuration and the communicator's communication path. A package must be selected before you can set up the customer's information for Total Connect. The package choices are Security, Smart Security, and Smart Home. At a basic level, Security is alarm reporting only. Smart Security adds Total Connect 2.0 services, and Smart Home adds automation. A table breakdown for each one and a downloadable PDF are on the screen. When you choose Smart Security or Smart Home, you'll get the option for video services. Choose one of the services if you are installing cameras for the customer. This section also includes configurable services, like Chamberlain services, which can be integrated with the Chamberlain garage door service. Once you have video services configured, it's on to step 3, Total Connect Setup. During setup, you will give the Total Connect account a name, enter the master username, and set the user preferences. Setting up default notifications is as easy as clicking any one of the boxes. Once you have entered all the information, this setup is finished. Click the Finish button to see the summary of everything set up. If something on the screen is incorrect, choose the Edit option to go back and make changes. If everything is correct, choose Confirm Creation on the top right. After confirmation, you can either configure the panel, which entails registering the communicator and programming the sensors, or configure the Total Connect account for the customers. By using the Configure Panel option, you can register the communicator and finish programming the security panel attached, if there is one. Let's look at how to register the communicator. You can register the communicator either through the Account Overview menu or the Settings menu. However, the settings menu does not show whether the account is registered. That information is only seen through the account overview menu. When registered, the account status will change from red, inactive, to green, active. Now, you can move through the rest of the menus and program the security panel. To finish setting up Total Connect, go to the Total Connect menu. You can finish pre-configuring the customer's account, including adding more users, syncing the panel, and setting up notifications. When finished, choose the commission to send the customer the welcome email, which they will use to set up the password for the Total Connect account. You have successfully created the AlarmNet account, set up Total Connect, and registered the communicator. Once finished, click Close at the top of the page to close the account. Thanks for watching.